Cooking with Gigi. Hi guys, welcome to another video of Cooking with Gigi. Today we're making cheese sticks. One of my favorite appetizers. Do you know what the appetizer is? Well, I'll tell you. It's when you're gonna eat before you eat your main food to get you going. Let me go tell you the ingredients. So we need cheese sticks, and we need breadcrumbs, Italian style. We need egg, I don't know what, green, and we need flour. And we need oil now. And we need cornstarch now. Garlic salt. And that's the ingredients. Okay guys, let's get cooking. So my mom and I did it together so it can be faster. And my mom helped me too, and my mom chopped it because the kids don't touch the knife. And before that, we're gonna crack 2 eggs. It's okay if it's a little step, but now we can start beating the eggs. Hi guys, we're gonna have a 1/4 cup of water. Oops. Okay, now we have to mix a bit. Oh, it's so googly. It's a googly word. It's a googly word. We made eggs, and now we have to put cornstarch and flour in a separate bowl. So let me go put flour first, guys. Wait, let's get away the knife. I'll say the best thing, the best is for flour. There we go. And good. Yes, I did it! You see guys, it's so flat now. Okay. Flour. I need 1 more scoop of flour. Oh yes. Look everyone. I did it again. Okay. Oh, it feels so creamy. Okay. Pat it. Okay, now we have to mix it, right? Now we need garlic salt in a half bowl. See? Okay. Wait, let me put the cat just like that. Okay, now we need breadcrumbs. How are we gonna do this? My mom told me something you have to do over the bowl. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Oops, I need too much scoops. Yes. A little more. One more. That's what I know. Good, okay. Okay guys, this is my favorite part and it's fun and goopy. Start with this one. Flour. Ooh. Flour. Flour. Ooh. It's kind of goofy. Go around. And there. I'm sure I would like this. Oops. It's good. Yes, it's so goopy. Look at my hands, it's so goopy. But after we touch egg, you have to wash your hands. Okay, next one. Okay, so we're done putting flour, egg, breadcrumbs. So now we're ready to cook it. Only up. You don't allow to do it because kids don't touch the stove. Okay, I can't wait to taste it. And it's gonna be so yummy, I bet. See you next time on Cooking with Gigi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!